Okay, we should be somewhat back. Okay, we're back, guys. Just let some few more people show up here. Yeah, whole YouTube chat. Everything crashed. This really sucks. Alright, looks like we're getting people in here. We're getting people in. Sometimes YouTube does that. You see it happen a lot. Don't worry, we back. Stream got slipped. Yeah, stream was full margin and got slipped. There we go. Now we're getting people back. Alright. Let's go, guys. Let's go. We're back. Don't worry. We got it back. Technical difficulties. If you guys hit the like, I would appreciate it. Helps get the stream back out so people know that we are streaming. We don't want this to crash again. You called your ISP? Lol. Are you trading on the new computer? No, not yet. That's probably the problem. Alright, so where did we get to? Possible sells below here. Let's see what news does. News is coming out in 5 minutes. We're waiting for news. So let's go ahead and type news at 10 a.m. You guys can see the clock at the top of the screen anyways. So let's see what happens. How to join that chat box you are showing? Oh, the group? Yeah, everyone. So when the Zoom crashed, the group they were still in the chat, so they got to still be in there. But yeah, to join this, you just go to tradesharpe.com. I'll post the link because we have news coming. I don't wanna do promotion. It's not really what I want to be doing right now. But if you're just wondering, all the information is there. That should help you. What happened? You tell me, brother, what happened? Whole thing crashed, wouldn't load. Screen is not good because you're watching in low quality. Screen is great for me. Screen is okay for everyone. Just make sure to change your quality to the highest quality and you'll be fine, brother. You will be fine. YouTube said technical and yeah, they thought I said technical difficulties and they gave me a hard time. But plan still remains below here. We should be okay. Looking for buys. We need more information for buys. So below here, let's see what news does. News is gonna be. I just expect a spike. What do you guys think? News up or down? TS stands for thunderstorm. No, could do though, right? People say up with news. Nuke. Up. All right. Let's see what happens. Most people saying, okay, a bit mixed here. Let's see it. Down. Grab liquidity, then melt. Let's see what happens. 4 minutes till news. I think most people are a bit mixed here. Before we look at news, let's have a look at gold, right? So let's have a look at gold. Crest here says up. Gold looks pretty good here. Daily time frame is trying to break out of this zone. So if we can get a 4-hour time frame breaking, closing above the zone, New York should be pretty juicy today. So if New York can close above here, we should get New York to push outside of this range. Again, if we pull back to the bottom of the range, we can look for more buys to continue towards the upside of the range. We do have a lot of inflation rate today, which is huge news, and it's going to be a bit of a problem, to be honest. Actually, no, this is not. This is tomorrow, thank God. So yeah, inflation rate is tomorrow, so that's huge news. We're probably gonna maintain in this range until inflation news comes out. Buying right here is a really bad idea. You want these type of pullbacks to then look for buys. So yeah, it's super important to be careful of the top of the zone here. This is not an area you want to be trading at the moment. Why don't you trade gold? I do trade gold, but I trade gold in New York. If I trade gold, it will be in New York. And and I focus on GJ in London because that's where my most consistent moves come, and it's where my highest win rate in London. Sometimes if gold is moving good in London, then I'll trade it no problems, but a lot of the time it moves the best in New York, so I rather do it on New York. Today we are trading New York, but that will be in the exclusive. I will live stream that in the exclusive, so that'll be cool. Is trading halal? Well, it's, of course, that's a debate. And, if anything, you pay tax is not halal, right? So all of this stuff is not halal. So technically, to be honest, you can't just pick out, your connection with God is very, very personal. And if you're doing it for the correct intentions, I think it's halal, right? That's the best way I'm going to put it. If you have good intentions, you're okay. Because you're just doing it as an income, it's trade. It's one of the oldest form, right? And you can use an Islamic account. It's one of the oldest form of businesses is trade, right? Buying and giving and selling it to someone else. Glad you guys could find the stream. Is it halal if you're using prop firms? I mean, listen, I'm not here to give religious advice. That's up to you. But I don't think most of the prop firms, especially the smaller ones, their business model is not halal. Like, they do it in a bad way. So be careful. People are trading fish for corn. Now we're trading GJ to yen. Yeah, exactly. All right, 31 seconds till news. Let's get it. As it's not gambling and rugging people, it's not haram. Yeah, exactly. All right, let's see what happens. Let's see if people are going to be right or wrong here. Very, very interesting. I'm more interested in the news to see the economic state of the UK. That's what interests me more here. All right, so we popped up here. No bottom wick. Not a crazy move, but the volume could come in the next 10-15 seconds and we could start popping up, which is what we wanted to see. Remember, one of our plans is to look for sells for the bottom of from the top here down. So this is not too bad to see at the moment. 30-minute no bottom wick. 1 hour no bottom wick. Very interesting. Nothing crazy here. Let's see what news did. Oh, wow. So previous, they expected unemployment rate 3.8 came back worse than expected. I wouldn't be surprised to see, yeah, initial push up and then price to flip and continue down. And it will continue down in the short term because of the bad news on the pound. So people are might be selling pound, but we can't trade based off that because that's not a trading style. Because we don't know, right? This could flip back up, but push 50 pips. Let's see. Bro, are you a day trader? Well, yeah. I mean, I'm a scalper. If that's what you're asking, do I take trades during the whole day? No, I'm a scalper. I look to get from point A to point B as quickly and efficiently as possible, but not like 1 minute shit. No, proper stuff. Why isn't the zone 181.7 GJ not marked on 4 hour? It has a 4 hour wick passing through it. There we go. This is the move up, right? Why Okay, let's see how smart people are. Why are we seeing a move up? Come on, guys, in the exclusive group, let's see what you guys are saying. Why are we seeing a move up based on negative news? Why would a negative news cause the move GJ to go up? Yeah, worse than expected. Negative news. Why negative news is causing GJ to go up? Let's see, guys. So it's the same? No, that's not a good enough answer. Right? You have to learn something. Liquidity? No. Nope, not liquidity. Fundamentals, not anything to do with grabbing liquidity. Why are we seeing it move up with negative news? Fundamentally. Manipulation? Nope. They're not manipulating anyone. Don't worry about that. Yen weakening? No, if the yen was weakening, we would see a different move. It's not that. It's super simple, guys. This is the GBP against the yen. So if the yen gets stronger, GBP, this goes up. If the GBP gets stronger, this goes down. So why are we seeing this move up? Because this is negative news for the UK economy. People are uncertain about the pound, and they're simply selling the pound. When you sell the pound, it's going to pump it up. Very simple. Negative news is negative for the pound. Simple as that. If we saw this head down, it's because they expect more interest rate hikes. Here we go. So maybe today we can have a counter trend option if this volume is going to push, and that's going to be above this 4-hour support right here. 100% we're going to take it above this 4-hour support. Yen is a safe haven? Very good. Yeah, that's also very true. Yen is also a safe haven. So we're probably the trade is from pound going into yen right now. That's probably the trade. $174. Where's your zone? 174. Let me have a look at that for you. Yeah, this is the same zone right here. 174, 18. You know, I'm using, instead of 174, I'm using 186, man. It's like maybe 1 pip difference, but really the same thing. 1 pip difference, but the same thing. So I wouldn't worry about that. It's the same zone I have right here. So I think counter trend, we can look for above here to continue. But again, remember, this is our plan from the beginning of the day. If we see some sort of change of structure from here, we can continue selling this because we're still bearish. It shouldn't be marked because the wick ran through it. Yeah, but we're respecting it on the 1 hour, right? You can see all these wicks here. The 15-minute was respecting it. You can see how the 15-minute is respecting. I mean, you could just leave it down here, but I'm just leaving it as a higher time frame level because we've had no 4-hour closure below here. You are right, the wick ran through it, but I'm just keeping it as a higher time frame level. I'm not using it because sells anyways, we would be taking below here. We'd be taking sells below here anyways, so it doesn't really matter. So I hope that makes sense. So yeah, let's see how gold sets up for New York. Gold could be very interesting for New York. Be careful buying as this closes above here. It's very risky. Right, this zone is a very risky zone to buy. If I was going to buy gold in London today, yeah, phew. I mean, 1 hour, at least a 1 hour close above 1932 to, yeah, 1 hour close above 1930, 219, and then maybe you only have options. But buying at the top of the range here, you're asking for a slap. Big slap. But if you do start changing structure, then it will, you could see some downside. Gold is tough today? Yeah, indeed. It could be tough for sure. Do you use levels behind the LTA as watch zones if the range is not enough to trade to? Yeah, exactly. I do. That's a very good question. That's a very, very, very good question. If you guys enjoying the stream, I appreciate everyone rejoining and joining back up. It's sorry about the technical difficulties. That's not in my control. But I do appreciate everyone rejoining and watching out for the new stream. So thank you guys for joining back up. If we could get the likes up on the stream, definitely does help let people know that we're streaming again. Otherwise, they're not going to see the stream. So if we can get it up to, 100 likes or something, I'd really would appreciate that, guys. It really does help. Valid daily resistance, or would that have to be too far from the past? No, that's too far from the past. This is just a previous. I've even wrote here, you can see previous 4-hour resistance. Have you entered any trade? Not yet. No, this is news move here. So we're waiting to see how news resolves itself. How would you manage it? Would you be if it rejects or if it taps the zone? That's dependent on how many pips that area is. If I see a quick move to it and a quick rejection, I'm not too worried because it's been a quick move. So, but if it slowly reaches there, then by the time it reaches there, I might go break even. Also depends on the pips. We talk a lot about that. We actually had that discussion on the last webinar we did. So if you are part of the exclusive, you can see in the webinar, but that's exactly how it is. We did talk about that. Always enjoy the stream, H. I'm here every day. Appreciate you, brother. Thanks for showing up. 182 level, because it's just a key level, man. You can, what's the difference between 182 and 182.062? It's like barely any difference, man. So I just keep it clean. Instead of having a line here and a line here, I just remove this and I understand that this is a level here, right? You know? You can see, so we will need a close above there anyways. Just to keep it clean. Hey Savio, welcome brother. Hope you're good. Good day to you as well. If people are selling pound, why is Gbp USD pushing up? That's a good question. Very, very good question. Not selling pound, sorry. They're buying pound. They're not selling the pound. They're buying the pound. Why? Because of the anticipation that interest rates are going to go up. Right? So if interest rates go up, yeah, I confused myself. If interest rates go up, they are buying the pound. They're not selling it. Right? They're buying the pound because they expect interest rates to be hiked based on the negative news. So the negative news is causing the pound to get stronger. Why? Because people are expecting interest rates to go up, and if interest rates go up, that helps the pound. Harry, what's the plan of action today? Well, we're looking, it's a bearish session. News has pushed us up to this range here, but if we create resistance here, we could still sell back down. So that's one plan. The next plan is if we just dump here, we can sell below 181.086. And if we're going to take counter trend buys because we just see this kind of reversal outside of here, I think buys above this level, above 182 will be ideal once we close back in this type of range here. Kind of back inside this zone, somewhere inside here like this. There's economic explanation for both directions. Yeah, there is. Buy on gold now? No, I don't think buying gold at 4-hour resistance from all week is going to be a good idea. That's a very, very strong resistance we've been at gold. Buying at this area here is very, very, very bad idea. It might work out today, but if it works out today, you're going to be lucky. So I rather wait for, if we can make our way up through here, because this is no confirmation. You're buying into very dangerous zone here. This is like gambling. So if we wait for New York and New York can get above here, then this will be actually ideal. And you can see a very, very, very nice clean move in New York to continue bullish. Which is what I'm kind of waiting for today on New York. Did I ever try Elliott Wave? No, I never looked into that. Never looked into Elliott Wave. Price action messed up today. No trading. It's not that bad, man. GJ's clean. I think at the moment, what's this called? Gold is a big problem. Sorry, just people were messaging me. Hey, man, your stream crashed. It's like, yes, they were, as if I didn't know. I'm studying it sometimes. There's a lot more big waffling around. It's good to study long term. I do notice it's pretty accurate once I study it myself. What time is New York starting? I don't know what time zone you're in, brother, but it starts for me. The New York Open is at 4 p.m. for me. That's Dubai time. So now it's 10 a.m. right now. So in a while. You can see the clock next to my picture. Not picture, video next to my camera. Yeah, it's 8 a.m. Eastern if you want to convert it. 9:30 a.m. Eastern is New York Stock Exchange open. And yeah. Alright, this is a nice 15-minute close here with a rejection. So if the next one can close bearish, and we can look for like a thunderstorm, would be ideal. If you're trading on a 15 with a level that's hidden behind the LTA as your target, with other time frames like a 30 and 1 hour be relevant as target too? Yeah, but because you'd be trading, but you can't overcomplicate this. I think people overcomplicate that topic too much. You're just targeting the next resistance. Above here, where's the next resistance? Technically here, but this is the more important because you have to reach this before you can reach this. So don't overcomplicate that. I'm already in a sell. I think it's a little bit early. You might get lucky and it plays out, but there's no confirmation for me to take a sell. You should mention your time zone. I mean, it says in the description I'm in Dubai. I mean, I could, but yeah, I could do that. Can we do partial profit on MT4 on the phone? No, you need to upgrade to MT5 on the phone to take partial take profit. The way you do that is you hold your position, you go to where to close the position, and you change your lot size to whatever you lot size you want to close of that position. So for example, if I open a 10 lot and I want to close half, I'll just type in 5 and then I press close and it will close only a 5 lot and leave a 5 lot running. You got a track record I can see? Yeah, the track record is in the Discord group here. So if you go to the Discord group and go to resources, it's the most recent resource here, the stream journal. I started it only last month, but this is what we got so far with all the streams, all the trades here, what time the trade was taken on stream, so you can go and cross-check that. I also do post, before that, what I was posting my stream trades here with the MetaTrader image to show that we are taking the trades, right? So you can see here, this was the trades taken. There's a lot of trades in here. So this was basically a track record, but I've now started doing it in an Excel sheet so you guys can see it clearer and we can get data on that. So you guys, because numbers are important in trading, but yeah, you could see it. There's also a track record on the stream on the bottom right of your screen is also a track record, right? You can see the wins, the losses. That was started last. I think I'll add also a July. I'll add a monthly track record as well. Instead of the overall stream win rate, I'll add July record. Well, we're in July, yeah. How to improve psychology. I do have a video coming on that very soon. 19 wins, 2 losses. That's around probably just coming up to 2 months ago. That's when I started tracking that. But that's only for stream, not off stream. So that's why positions are not. But that's probably around 15 positions a month probably. So probably with weekends and everything, you're looking at a position almost every single day. Only few trade from setup number 2. Yeah, because we just have a total of how many trades in here? You know, a total of 9 to 21. Yeah, 10 trades in here, so you can see. And also setup number 2 happens a lot when we're trending. In a trending move, setup 2 happens. We have not been trending that aggressively. Morning. 15 might close above. Yeah, I'm not looking to trade gold at those highs. Your win rate with my VIP channel? My VIP channel is not a signal channel. It's a community group. You can get all information on the website. I'll get someone to post the link. If someone can just post the link of that in chat, please. That is basically, we do webinars. They're on Zoom with me right now. After the stream ends, we continue the Zoom if it's still relevant. We discuss about positions. I do call my trades there, but I don't want to make it signals. I don't like signals. I just say, hey guys, I'm looking right now, blah, 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 if I am looking at something. Right? But let's take my personal win rate off of stream. It's probably around, last month, probably around 86%. So not too much different, right? But that's because I have more positions. How old you're? You're what? You mean how old am I? Guess. Do you have a video that talks about your trade setups? Yeah, I do. It's this video right here. Top 3 price action entries. This one right here. That talks about my trade setups. The water glass is 22? Yeah. Appreciate everyone showing up today. Always a pleasure to have you guys on stream. Love answering the questions. And yeah, love having you guys. Appreciate everyone showing up. Hope you're finding value on the stream. And if you are finding value, consider to leave a subscribe and join for future streams. If you don't like the streams, then you can unsubscribe and you can go do something else. But my goal here is really to help you guys and everyone who's been here for more than a week. You guys can see, you've probably seen how much, we put into trying to give realistic expectations, realistic information, and make sure that whatever going on here is the highest of qualities, right? And it's taken a long time. You can see when the channel started. So definitely consider leaving a subscribe. I really do appreciate it. Show up for future streams. We're doing this live. We're learning. We're giving positions. It's really great. All right, so I'd appreciate that. And if you're new to the stream, leave a like. We have 250 people in here. Appreciate everyone showing up. If we can get it past 100 likes, I really will appreciate it. You're in a GU buy? Amazing. Break even partial close? Cool. How long in trading until you became consistently profitable? 1.5 years. Would it not be a good time to sell GJ? Not just yet. We need this 15 to close bearish, then we can start talking about sells. That's my plan. Hit the like, show some love. Yes, sir. Thank you, brother. Simplest strategy? Yeah, we keep it simple to keep results moving. Simplicity is key. How much money have you made over time? You're gonna ask me what color my socks is? You can guess what risk I use and you calculate, right? I use 4-figure risk, $1,000. You can see how much on average pips we make, right? And you can calculate over time. You can calculate how many figures it is. Price action pivot entries, that's not something I use, so I'm not going to make a video on it. I'm only going to make a video on what I do. I'm new, subscribe done, appreciate it. Nice, thanks guys, appreciate. What color socks are you wearing? No socks, so. What was the biggest trade you've taken? How many pips? 200 pips. 200 pips, and yeah. I'm still trying to achieve a 5-figure trade. Still my goal to achieve 5-figure in one trade, right? Not 5-figure profits, 5-figure in one trade. I'll have to hold a 10 lot for 100 pips. It's a lot. I normally just like to take the profit and run. With an Iron Dixie, I'm a bit cautious for gold on NY session. Yeah, we'll have a look at it. We'll be on stream. We'll see what's going on. Can you show us our trade history sheet? Yep, it's here. You can get it on Discord. There you go. Discord and resources. The link is kept being posted in the chat, so be sure to join. I need to improve my psychology. Yeah, don't worry, brother. Video coming out on that. Are you holding for trades for 2 days? Yeah, I sometimes do that, but I prefer just to take profit. Hi, what's the biggest profit in dollars? Single trade would be probably around 4 grand. How much is 1 pip worth? Depending on what lot size you use. You see, one thing I notice on YouTube, and I've been streaming now since I started streaming, is everyone is interested in the money. Everyone is like, how much money, how much money, how much money, how much do you have, how much do you do this, how much this, how much that? And it's like, you guys, this is why everyone fails. How much, how much, how much? None of you first focus on making your first $100. Because how much this guy makes doesn't mean anything. How does it affect you? How does it affect you if one guy makes 20 grand, the same guy makes 10 grand, another guy makes, 2 grand? It doesn't affect you. What you guys should focus on is this guy consistent in trading? What I can see from him, is it consistent? Is he doing something? It doesn't matter how much he's making because that's based on him, because that's how much he's going to risk. Yeah, at some point, he has to risk decent money. You can't be looking at a guy who's risking $1, $2 because, that's not doing anything. Of course, I understand. There's limits to it. But at the end of the day, you guys have to focus on what the actual trade is doing. How is he trading? You're not going to learn. I could say numbers. Numbers are not going to help you, right? It doesn't make you a better trader if you make more money. It makes you a better risker. You're better at risking more per trade, but you're not a better trader. Right? You can argue that, yeah, to be a better trader, you risk more per trade, but that's all based on your comfortable, I want to trade with an amount of risk that I have the most consistency, and I'm really comfortable that I can go on stream live in front of people and take trades, no questions. There's been so many times when I've taken trades and everyone says, bro, this trade is going to fail. It's not going to work out. We go and draw down. This is wrong. The trade is wrong. But I just stick to my plan and I can remain calm in the position. Because I'm not here over risking. I'm in my zone where I'm happy with how much I make. I'm happy if I lose. And that's the end of the story. There's no complicated things. And to be able to do that, you have to be a consistent trader. You have to be a consistent trader. It's impossible. Are reliable funded accounts or suggestions? Any reliable? Yeah, FTMO, stuff like that. Stick to the big boys. Only people that's been trading for a year plus understand Sharp. Yeah, once people start to understand that, their trading will change. Stop focusing on how much this guy made. How does it affect you? How does it affect me how much you guys made? Doesn't affect me. What I want to focus... Oh, water got stuck. What I want to focus on is taking trades and doing that consistently. Harry, how you been? All good, brother. What's the plan for today? Well, we're looking, if this candle can close bearish here and we can see some form of change of structure, I would be happy to sell this back down to the bottom of the range. We do have a counter trend option for buys above here, but we are bearish today. So we're looking for sells in here or sells below there. I think that would be the best. Appreciate everyone showing up to the stream. 280 viewers here. I appreciate everyone. Glad to have you guys. Right, glad to have you guys. Hope you guys can find some value on this stream. I really concentrate on making this the best value-based stream. So if you're new to the stream, definitely consider leaving a subscribe, leaving a like. It definitely does help. I hate saying that YouTube business, but It's this part of the game. I want you guys to benefit, and if you guys can't find the stream because you didn't subscribe, you're not going to benefit from it. I'm posting a lot of content that gives away everything. You know, I basically really try, because that's the goal. If I can build profitability amongst more traders, then it builds my reputation. That's how I win. Would it be correct to look for 15 minutes on the 5-minute? Yeah, I think that'll be cool if we get volume. I agree with you, Antonio, brother. Greetings from Bulgaria. Welcome, welcome. Harry, am I the only Nigeria person on here? Have you seen any? Yeah, I've seen many. I think you're not the only one. I think we're going to beat stream resistance. Stream resistance was 250, so we're beating resistance. I think this is all-time high, so pretty cool. Get to 300 viewers would be sick. xauusd. Okay, I'll do it quickly for you, brother. Quickly for you, xauusd. So let's look at the daily here. So daily is trending bearish. 4 hour also coming down. We're at this 4 hour support though. Yeah, it looks bearish, kind of similar to GJ, but this I'd be looking for closes below 94.028, and then you can look for sells. Simple as that. Otherwise, retraces to continue down. Very simple plan. Is a change of character necessary? Yeah, something like that. We would need to see something like that. Just one 15-minute close, not going to be. This 15-minute close is not enough. But imagine today, bro, we had a mixed session. This would be the exact setup that you sent in the group, right? This would be the exact setup that you did your homework from last time, remember? Exact play out. News came out. Yeah, you see? So if we were mixed session today, then this would be our entry, right? And we could take price towards the upside here. Very interesting to see that. How big is the range? 18 pips. I mean, could we? It's risky, yeah, but it's tempting, right? Because we did the homework. We know, we've seen it happen in the past. Where's the 4 hour resistance? Yeah, it is this. It is enough of a range. Yeah. Brother, every time before the upward move, market break recent level, invite more sellers to hunt stop loss. Is it good way to think? No, it's a bad way to think. Don't think about stop losses. Just think about what price is doing and where is it a logical place to put my stop. Because if you took sells this morning, you put your stop loss above here, you never got stopped out. You put your stop loss above here, you never got stopped out. You took buys here, you put your stop loss below here, you never got stopped out. So that idea of waiting for stop loss hunt, you're just going to miss too many moves. Too many moves. Which setup number are you trying on DJ? Well, it was supposed to be setup number 2, but this candle is closing doji at the moment, so not the best at the moment. What broker do I use? IC Markets. Alright, so this 5 minutes closed above here. I know it looks very tempting to take it at the break of the high, but I've seen this happen a lot when we've had a weak candle close like this with a wick after news. We normally see a retracement, and if that retracement's failed, then I don't mind giving a counter trend option in here, relying on volume to continue up. Put on gold at 1920, it will go down. You can't be sure, right? You can't be sure. It's your fault. You showed us the big car. After that, the only way we think about the price. Next time, show us how you make your favorite chicken recipe for psychology purposes. Yeah, that's funny, man. No, that's all for fun, and that's, you know, that's motivation. It's still, I'm just trying to fix your mindset, right? It's okay to have motivation, but you need to have value in motivation. People use motivation to try make them, you know, to sell themselves. But in reality, you need to use motivation for yourself, what makes you happy, and use it to encourage others, you know? That's how it should be. I appreciate everyone showing up. 300 viewers today. Pretty sick. If you're new to the stream, welcome. Consider leaving a subscribe so you can join for future streams. You can have a look at our stream track record if you want to, which is in the Discord channel. Today your camera's working? Yeah, it is working today. It only didn't work last time. Come on, guys. Not the worst thing. Quick analysis on USD JPY? Yeah, no problem, brother. This is very interesting here. If we were a mixed session, I would be very tempted to take buys here. But this is just going against our rules, right? And this is where you lose as a trader, going against your rules. Really, I promise you guys, I have gone against my rules before, and most of the time, my losses, actually all of my losses is when I go against my rules. All. You know? And when I lose, when I went with my rules and I lose, I feel so good about it. It's just like, okay, that's probabilities, move on to the next trade. Right? So let's look at USD JPY for this chap. Daily time frame is closing bearish here, tapping into the zone, so that's a little bit scary area to be at. 4 hour, same type of story. I think this 4 hour needs to get back below its own low, and then yeah, so simple, same as, you know, sells below this low 140. If you can get below 145.70, you can probably get sells towards the downside. Otherwise, this is just gonna make its way maybe up before later on trying to continue down. You know, GJ might even set up nicely for New York this week. So someone asked me a question, why don't I trade 2 hours for New York? It's because the reason you should start trading is to make a full-time income from a part-time job, right? You don't want to be 8 hours at the chart. The more time we spend at the chart, the more likely we have to make a mistake, and more likely we have the more likely the chances that we give profits back to the market. So that's not what we want to do, right? I know people think, okay, the more time I trade, the more money I make, but in reality, it's not really like that. It's not really like that. It's not the more money that you, the more time you spend at the charts, the more money you make. It's actually quite the opposite. So I actually leave the charts at New York Open, and I go enjoy a hobby I have on my day, in my day, right? Right? Because I don't want to spend 8 hours at the chart. I want to get on with my day and enjoy other things. How many screens do I use? I use 2 screens. One to have all my trading and everything above me, and then this screen here in front of you guys. That's why I keep looking up, because I have another screen above me. Harry, I took a buy on NASDAQ, felt confident while taking it, but now I'm kind of not feeling confident again. What's the cause? Please, can you help me check? Let's have a look. That's a nice question here. He's not feeling confident anymore because of what reason? So if it follows your plan, you should always feel confident because that's your plan, right? So where did you take it on NASDAQ? Where's your buy on NASDAQ? So if you don't feel confident, then you have to realize, okay, why don't you feel confident? Is it because now the trade does not follow your plan? Or is it because when you entered the trade, you weren't sure? Because if this follows your plan, you're going to be confident, you're going to have a TP, and you're just going to close at your TP. If you don't feel confident in the trade because something is happening that it's not supposed to happen, then just go break even. Best thing. Is the 4 hour level at 181,740 valid? Which one? No, I have this level here. I don't know what 4 hour level you're talking about. This no man. This is what's relevant. You focus too much on these levels. You don't focus on price action. You need to start focusing. I notice SRT focuses too much on what's happening before. Focus on what's happening now. What's the information we have on the chart right now? This is our range. We're not buying into a range. Focus on the most recent. 350 people in here. Appreciate everyone showing up today. Great pleasure. Hope you can find value from this stream. We stream Monday to Friday, so if you guys want to show up and just give it a shot, right? Give it a shot if you want it. See if you guys like the stream. Definitely a lot goes on in here. I make sure to provide the highest value possible. So give the channel, subscribe, free way to give back. I really do appreciate it. I hate to say it, but it's part of the YouTube business. I know I keep saying it, but what to do, right? That's just how it is. So if you guys do enjoy the content, leave a subscribe, enjoy my videos all on YouTube, and leave a like to the stream. You know the business. The more you do it, the less I have to say it. That's the good thing. But I appreciate you guys showing up. How do I overcome the fear of taking a trade? You have to have a plan that you know works, and you won't be scared to take the trade because you said, oh, this follows my plan. Beep, take a trade. End of story. Please share 3 golden rules. 3 golden rules. Follow your plan, have a plan that works, and don't hesitate on that plan. Simple. 3 golden rules. How many trade in one day? I probably take 2 trades max in a day. On average, 1 trade a day. And on average, probably 4 trades a week. Do you play any games? No, I used to. The only game I play now is the money game. No, I'm joking. The market game. This is a big game. Check this out. This is the rejection I was talking about. So this looks pretty good. If we can close this 15-minute bearish here, we'll have a 5-minute kind of change of structure here. Hopefully can retrace some of this news move here. So let's see what happens. Only thing that worries me is this 181.500 level, but we can use that as break even. Are we selling GG or buying? Just join the stream. Looking more for sells. I think sells make sense based on my bias, and we'll see. Tradesharpe, former global elite. Man was grinding hard on CSGO back in the day. Oh, that used to be my shit, man. CSGO had a team and everything. Was playing Face It in a league. Very serious I used to play. Do you trade UJ? No, since I don't trade the New York session most of the time, then I basically just trade GJ because you were global. No, I quit because of too many hackers. I just went to Face It. I think I reached Legendary Eagle Master or something, LEM, and then I quit because of the hackers. Too many hackers at global. Playing Dust 2, every round you try to cross to B, you're gonna get shot through the doors. Every time. Do you miss playing games? I miss the having. It's the same grind though, because you know you want to win a game in trading. I want to win a trade. I want to be better. So it's a different grind. I do miss that kind of like being able to sit behind a computer and play with a group of friends. I do miss that. I'm very busy now, and sometimes work is not always fun, right? Gold is going up. Yeah, it just popped very heavy here. Big oof. Damn. That's a massive move. Sheesh. That's a big move. New York is going to be fun today. New York is going to be fun. Let's have a look at... Yeah, New York is going to be fun today. I hope. Where did that volume come from? Any news? No. Yeah, GJ gonna drop now. We should be able to take sells. Let's see what's our stop loss looking like. Oof, 24 pips, pretty steep. 15 pips to here, 30 pips down to here. Pretty steep. I want to see what it does at this 181 level. I miss competitive but busy with work currently. Yeah, exactly. That's what I mean. It's a different grind. Like I do enjoy work, but work sometimes is not always the best. Guys, don't FOMO into gold here. Don't FOMO into gold. This is a news move. I rarely see this. Not sure what this is like. 1 minute candle. It's like a 25 pip 1 minute candle. 35 pip 1 minute candle. Don't FOMO into this. Please, guys, don't FOMO into this. Be patient. Right? Wait for some sort of like 15-minute pullback to continue. I'll keep an eye on gold. If we can get a 15-minute pullback, that might look interesting. Because we have no 15-minute confirmation. 5 is not a confirmation. 5 minutes not confirmation. 5 is only entry. GJ is in a messy range though, man. This is the problem. I mean, yesterday 15-minute close, easy move. What was the problem? Were we there at the charts? No. But 15-minute close, easy move. 15-minute close, easy move. It's not running away, it's just being inconsistent. This is how summer months are. Summer months can be like this sometimes. How's your trading view so zoomed out? I have a very large monitor. I have a curved screen monitor. Well, it's not a very, very big one, but you have a sell trade on gold, 1923? Brother, if you went in from 1923 and you're selling gold without a plan, it's a very bad idea. That's a very bad habit. I'm not going to advise you on what to do, because if I advise you to close it and then it goes back down to your entry, who are you going to blame? Me. Was it my fault? No. Did I take the position? No. But you're still going to blame me. So it's in your hands now. But if I was in your position, I wouldn't want to be in that, because I don't have a plan. So you could make your, you could come back and make and lose less, or you could lose more. And that's not the way I trade. I trade based on having probabilities, right? So it's a very bad habit. Never do that again, and consider what's happening. No, don't sell gold after it's pushed up like that. Don't try be smarter than the market. Don't try be smarter than the market. If you guys haven't already, please follow me on Instagram. I do posting content there. I post stream updates and stuff like that. I'm trying to get the Instagram up. I do post a lot on there to help you guys, constantly posting value. So if you guys can follow me on there, I really would appreciate it. When I announce giveaways are announced on Instagram, so you guys should follow there to find information about the giveaways. It's at Tradesharpe. It gets posted in the group as well. Not in the group, in the chat. So here's the chat. You can see my Instagram at the bottom left of your screen. Would appreciate a follow. If you want to be up there. All right, 15-minute close here. Close right at 181,500, which is not the best here. How big is my stop loss? Let's see if this can make a nice top wick flip and break the low. I might look to take an entry at the break of the low. Let's see how the top wick is. Might look to take an entry at the break of the low to continue this bearish momentum. The problem is our trade is going to be negative RR. That's the problem, but I don't really care about RR, but I know a lot of people are new to the stream at the moment, and they might care about RR. So, our stop has to be here, 26 pips, and we only have realistically a 10 pip break even, and then a 23 pip target. Max target 23 pip. Blue line, not just yet. 385 people in here. Appreciate everyone showing up. Pleasure to have you guys here. Really do. Hope you guys can join for future streams. How did you learn the basics? Oh, I have a very basic video. If you go to my channel and just look at this video here, the full Forex course starts from beginning and then gets into more advanced concepts. So check it out. Full Forex course. Free. It's on my channel. What setup is this? 2, right? Are you entering a sell in GJ? Not just yet. Maybe break of the lows after this bottom wick is formed now. I mean this top wick. I think it would be good to enter at the break of the lows. Probably bring out the blue line now that a top wick is formed. Yeah, probably break of the lows like this. Now that a top wick is formed, looking to continue down. Break even will be anywhere here. Even these wicks, if we start rejecting too fast, I'll probably go break even. You have a sell stop, I'll market execute, but yeah. What time frame am I using? This is a 15-minute. Yeah, not current candle, previous candle. So big stop loss on this one for a small target, but that's the option I see here, so I don't mind. The problem is management. I'll probably manage the trade if anything. Yeah, hopefully this can create a resistance, then we break the lows. That would be better. Because it's very hard to manage this trade as well. Hey man, you ever thought about playing copyright-free soft music in the background? There is copyright-free soft music playing in the background. You guys can't hear the music? Let me know in chat if you guys can hear the music or not. Yeah, you guys can't hear the music. My bad. I'll fix that. Thanks for letting me know. I didn't know you guys could not hear the music. That's pretty funny. You should be able to hear it now. Give me a second. Are we back? Leave music. Yeah, it just messed up the whole stream. Damn. I think we're back though. I think we're back. Yeah, yeah. Okay, we're good. We're good. Now you guys can also hear music. So you better appreciate this music because it basically almost ruined my whole stream. Appreciate everyone showing up today. 400 people in here. Pleasure to have you on stream. Hope you guys are enjoying. If you guys are enjoying, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. You know the business. This is about to flip here. Let's see if it can break the lows. If it breaks the lows, should be able to catch a position here. GJ moving like a pagan. Yeah, it's not the best movement, but let's see what ends up happening. Yeah, it would be a break-even level. Do you always want the stop loss over the candle? Can't you just put it on the resistance to increase the RR? No, because what if it re-breaks the candle wick high, then flips? Remember last time when we took the trade and it came very close to stop loss, but we were still protected? If you did that same concept, you would have lost that trade, but we won the trade. It's a big difference, that. Hey traders, enjoyed vacation? Nice. Watch out now, guys. Starting to come close to breaking the lows. Give it a pip, right? Give it a pip. Wait for me to say I'm in. Give it a pip when it breaks the lows. You know, give it some room. This is very close to the 1 hour close. That's the another issue I have. It's very close to the 1 hour close. So by the 1 hour close, hopefully I can get to break even. All right, almost broke the lows here. Haven't broken it yet. All right, I'm in. Short position from here. Stop loss gonna be up here. TP down here. As we approach these resistances here, potential moving to break even as we approach these zones here. See this 5-minute open. As we approach here, I'm gonna move to break even. I think that's a smart idea. All right, moving to break even, making this a risk-free trade. Let's go. Nice. Looking to secure some profit soon, actually. This is quite a big push before the 1 hour open. I want to secure some profits before the 1 hour open. So let's see if we can get a little bit more. Come on, GG. Let's do it. Nice, 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 nice. Come on. Gonna watch the 1 minute here. See if we can get a small push down. Nice. Look to secure soon, guys. I'm gonna secure very soon. Nice, nice, nice. Okay, I'm out. Close, take profit hit. Come on, guys, let's go. I'm out. You guys can hold the rest. This is enough for me. That's a pretty quick move. W's in the chat. 400 people watching. Let's go, guys. You guys hold if you want to hold, but I'm done. I'm happy with that. Look at this, straight to TP as well. That was like 22 pips for me. I'm happy with 22 pips. Yeah, 23 pips. Let's go, guys. W in the chat. Keep spamming. Keep spamming. Beautiful trade. 400 people in here. Lovely. Appreciate everyone. Blessed. Amazing, amazing, guys. Let's go. That's what I look at the rejection, right? Right when we close. That's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about. This is how I closed. Took it on that break of low. Boom, close right there. And that was that. Let's go, guys. Let's go. Winner, winner, rice dinner. Yes, sir. Guys, leave a like on the stream for that. Leave a subscribe. Come on, guys. Let's go. Beautiful. Stuck to bias. We weren't greedy. We closed here. Look, that close was basically a sniper close. Winner, winner, rice dinner. Look at this, everyone. That's beautiful. Damn, was so clean, fucking clean. Let's go, guys. White stuff showing up. Relax, relax. Let's get rice in the chat. So when people ask me, hey man, you know, how much money do you make? Well, that's important, right? How do you make the money? Live in front of everyone. That's important, not how much you make. May everyone achieve success, yes. Damn, chat going crazy here. Appreciate the love. Appreciate the love, guys. Right, so we took 15-minute break of lows here. 22 pips. Copy link. Let's go put this. 15-minute. 22 pips. Finally, GJ gives us some volume, right? Actually, set up to this. Finally, GJ gives us some volume. What time is it? This was... Let's see what time we took the trade. Took the trade on this candle as it flipped. $8:53, yeah, UK time, but my time. I'm doing it my time. My time, we took it at... Yeah, 9:56, exactly. Yeah, 9:56. So, not 9:50. What time is it now? Yeah, 5 minutes before. 10:55. Cool. Beautiful TP, guys. Cheers, Janice. Take care, brother. Oh yeah, change the stream thing. 20 wins. What's the win rate now? Are you done for the day? I'll pop up for New York session. But I don't have to force anything today. Like, I'm happy I've made my money for the day. 90.9. Nice. Thanks, brother. MashaAllah. Amazing. Amazing. Very happy with that. Can you do a summary of the trade? Yeah, very simple. Bearish bias today. I stuck to my bias. News gave us a push up. This was the exact plan we planned in the morning. Go rewind the stream. Super informative, the stream. I said, options for today. Selling below here. Pullbacks, resistance created. We'll take sells. What exactly happened? We pulled back. Resistance was created. We waited for the break of the lows. Price made a nice top wick, broke the lows, and that just took us down. Break even was the top of the range. We took take profits at around 22 pips here. 21, 22 pips around. And that was that. End of story. MashaAllah. Thank you, brother. Check gold. You guys are concentrating too much on gold. This is why I said do not FOMO into this move. Let this pull back. You know, wait for support to be formed and then look to retake it. Kind of like the opposite what we just did on GJ. This was the big push up. Now we look for the retracement, right? So you look for the other way. So all the guys who are in the private group here, just remember that we are live streaming New York in the group today. So you guys can show up for that live stream. That'll be fun. Harry, please make a video the moment you stop to learn everything at the theoretical level and focus putting practice into developing your TA. TA should be easy to learn. And then what you need to, the hard part is learning the implementation. How to implement your strategy, right? That's the difficult part. So that's what I help with, is I help people. It'll be, you'll see if you wake up. Man, if you're sleeping, it's all good. I'll probably do it around 7:30 Eastern. 7:30 Eastern, I'll probably do it. Your group? Yeah, my group is, I do have, for people who want to invest more in their trading, we have this group called the Tradesharpe Exclusive. And it's a monthly payment group. Basically, it's something I created because I wanted to build a community and people wanted more, but sometimes it's too expensive for them to pay one-on-ones with me. So people ask me to make a group. They jump on live stream now. They're with me here. After the stream ends, I'll still run this. And yeah, basically we do weekly webinars. They have access to all this content here, right? So they get this fundamental course here. So this is basically a course of the fundamentals, and then all the webinar recording. This is not like another, you know, most of these groups, the problem with most of these groups is that they put all content and it's all random content. So, you know, it's all random content and you don't know where to start. So I'm making sure to keep it organized. We have webinars, you guys discuss with me, and I do stream on Wednesdays, New York. So that's what that group is. You can find information just by watching the video on this. The video will give it all the information. I don't like promotion. Here you go. That's the link to join the group. There's only 8 spots left for this month. After the 8 spots are filled, I close it. Close the group until the next intake. So if you're interested, the best thing is it's $1.8 a day. If you don't like it, then cancel and you're risk free. It's not a lifetime payment and it's the most value you're gonna get. I hate to promote because it seems like a sellout. I'm not a sellout, but I'm just trying to help people. But I will be paid for my time. Don't be afraid, guys, to ask to be paid for your time. If anyone's asking you to pay for your time, don't be afraid, right? You have to be paid for your time. So that's why I did that. So you guys can check that out. As I said, only 8 spots left. As soon as the 8 spots get filled, you know, just try it for a month. You don't like it, leave. Simple as that. But trust me, you get a lot of value. When you join it, you can immediately start watching the course videos, right? The fundamental videos, and then join the webinars. What time were you risk free? I think only like 2-3 minutes into the trade. Is your live trading in New York available to everyone? No. So I do a live stream on New York once a week only. And that I do on Tuesdays, but I do that with the members. It just keeps things easier for me. Keeps things nice and clean. GU, let's see what GU has done. Yeah, GU has popped up here. I think if you want to continue, you need to wait for support to form. Once support is formed, you can look to tap the highs here and continue bullish. Can you tell me your exit plan? Exit plan was once I saw it approaching into this support zone, I just exited the trade, right? You could see this is a rejection zone. You can see the rejection we're getting now. That's why I chose to exit the trade there. Signing off now. Yeah, I'm about to sign off now, guys. I think it was an amazing stream. I appreciate everyone showing up today. Be sure to leave a subscribe so you show up to future streams. We stream Monday to Friday. I really do appreciate everyone showing up, but we've taken the trades, we've done our job. We don't have to be at the charts. Go do something else. Use your time wisely. You don't need to be at the charts anymore. And yeah, for sure. You know, that's basically that. Appreciate everyone showing up to the stream today. Be sure to leave a subscribe, and I'll catch you guys hopefully on the next stream. With that being said, take care, trade sharp, and hopefully catch you guys very, very soon. Peace.